Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The Mavic 2 Pro is one of my favorite drones. Its capabilities seem endless and the fun with it is limitless. Well, tonight when you get the recipe of a beautiful sunset with the low light capabilities of the Mavic 2 Pro, you have a recipe that equals something spectacular. So without any further ado, let's roll this clip. That was unbelievable. I just can't say enough about the low light capabilities of the Mavic 2 Pro combined with just an absolutely gorgeous sunset. Question of the day: what did you think of this video from the Mavic 2 Pro? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
I want you close.